Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get Shein coupon codes. First, you have to go to coupons.com, and from this website you will find the various type of coupon codes for various type of company. From here you just need to search for Shein, and here it is. Simply click on it and you will find that 36 coupon codes is live for now, and it is most updated, and you can find various type of offers and deals, and you can see it's the most updated coupon codes, so you can try these coupon codes in your Shein account. Here is the date, sorry, and here is the expired date, and make sure that follow the date. You must need to redeem that coupon code before the date. Now you can find that exciting deals and discounts from here. You just need to click on see coupon button to see the coupon code from here, like this. Here is the coupon codes. Here is the details about the offer that you can read from here, and here is the coupon code that you can simply click on copy the code, and you can see the code is copied, and you can go to store by clicking on this button, and you can apply the code in the website. You also can give the feedback by clicking on the thumbs up button or dislike button here. Just because of those codes are listed in public, so you can try one by one that are valid for now, and that's how you can get Shein coupon codes easily. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video.